If it's one Middle Eastern dish that I feel like everybody should try, it's definitely kabsa. So let me show you how to make it. You're going to start with a hot pan and a 4th cup of neutral oil. Once the oil is hot, add in 2 diced onions and cook them until they're nice and caramelized. Then we're going to add in 2 pounds of meat of choice. I used lamb, but you can do beef or chicken. We're going to cook it until one side is nice and caramelized and add in our whole spices along with garlic and tomato paste. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes to get the harsh tomato taste out. Then we're going to add in our kabsa spices, mix for another minute or 2. And then we're going to add in 6 cups of water or beef broth, whichever you have. I just used water. Cover and cook your meat for around an hour and a half to 2 hours until it's nice and tender. Now it's time to add in your potatoes if you like, half a bunch of cilantro, and 3 cups of washed basmati rice. Now in order for the rice to fully cook, I added another 4 cups of water because I just had about 2 cups of broth left. Cover and let it cook on medium heat until your rice is fully cooked and there's no more liquid left. Finally, all there's left to do is fluff up the rice, serve, and enjoy. Now to make the salsa that goes with it, in a blender you're going to throw in 2 cloves of garlic, 1 or 2 chopped tomatoes, half a bunch of cilantro, a sprinkle of salt, and some chili for spice. Blend it together and enjoy.